everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful coaster. It is very simple to make. Just follow me along and you will find it beautiful and easy to do. So let's start, shall we? I'm going to use 2.5mm hook size, and I'm going to start by doing a slip knot and then insert inside and chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and do a slip stitch in the first chain to close my circle, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This 3 chain represent 1 double crochet. Inside the circle I need another 15 double crochet, and with the first one it will be a total of 16. So yarn over, insert inside and pull the first 2 loop and remaining 2. Yarn over and insert the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, and again yarn over the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, and this is my double crochet. So I have 5, I need another 11 double crochet. So continue working and come for the next row. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, and I'm going to start by chaining 2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a front double crochet. I'm going to do yarn over, and how am I going to insert? Not on the top, no, I'm going to pull the yarn to put my hook like this, and then yarn over through the first 2 loops only. It is a front double crochet together, and then yarn again, insert in the next double crochet like this and pull the first 2 loops only. I have a 3 on my hook through all of them. Now chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. Again I'm going to yarn over, insert through the first 2 loops only, yarn again through the first 2 loops only. Now I have a 3 on my hook through all of them, and chain 7. Again yarn as if I'm doing a double crochet. I'm not going to insert at the top, no, I'm going to place my hook like this and then yarn through the first 2 loops only, leave the remaining 2 on my hook, yarn again the next one through the first 2 loops only. I have 3 on my hook through all of them, and this is the pattern. So I worked the 3, I need another 5, a total of 8. Finish them and come again. Now I'm done, so I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of my first, and then chain 1 and cut. I'm going to change the color. Now I'm going to insert at any of the chain 7, doesn't matter, and I'm going to do what? I'm going to do a standing double crochet, which is meaning what? First you're going to chain 1, chain 1, and then work as if more working a double crochet, and sit inside and pull through the first 2 loops and the remaining 2, the standing double crochet. Now I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and another double crochet here, and then chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again in the next you're going to work a double crochet normal, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and another double crochet, and this is the pattern. At the chain 7 you're going to work a double, 5 chain, a double, 3, a double, 5 chain, and between them 9 chain. So continue working and come again. So I finished all of them. I'm going to do a slip stitch. This is my standing, so I'm going to do a slip stitch here, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do here a slip stitch and then chain 1 and work a single crochet here, Now each of the previous you're going to work only a single crochet. The work is here in the 9 chain. What we're going to do, we're going to work 6 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and another 6 double crochet here, another 6 double crochet in the same 9 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then you're going to work directly in the next 5 chain and work what? A single crochet. And this is the pattern that you're going to work in this row. In the 9 chain space you're going to work what? You're going to work 6 double crochet, 3 chains, 6 double crochet, and here directly you're going to work what? A single crochet. So finish them and come for the last row. So I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, and then I'm going to do a slip stitch along all the stitches here, all a slip stitch until I reach the 3 chain space. And now I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3. The first 3 represent 1 double crochet and then 2 chain. Sorry, 3 chain. And then another double crochet here, and now I'm going to work what? 11 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, and in the next here 3 chain you're going to work 1 double crochet, so you're going to work 1 double crochet here, chain 3 and another double crochet. So the pattern simply that you're going to work here a double, 3 chain double, and between them 11 chain. So finish them and come for the last event. So I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, 3, and then chain 1 and pull and cut. And now I'm going to do what? Stitch these yarn. Now the beginning yarn I already worked, so I'm going to cut. The remaining, no, I have to stitch them using a needle at the outer loop. So here, so at the outer loop you're going to insert, stitch them at the outer loop, and then here I'm going to insert through all the 6 whatever at the outer loop, and then that's it. That's how you stitch the yarn and secure them, and I'm going to do that at all the extra yarn. So this is my pattern. You have to place it at something to press it and so it becomes straight. I use this color, is same as this one, but I've changed the. So I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Until the next time.